If you're running Google Cloud, the chances are you have an opportunity to save a lot of money by right-sizing your VMs, tuning your disk storage, and choosing the optimal storage classes for your data. Here's a quick walkthrough of Sedai's new Google Cloud VM and storage optimization capabilities. So you can optimize individual VMs or groups of VMs from load balancer or scaling groups or tag groups. If I go to one of my individual VMs, Sedai shows both my current and recommended configurations and how much I can save if I make this change. I can go deeper and I can see the analysis that Sedai did to come up with this recommendation. For example, I can see what my CPU usage looks like over time for this VM. Now for this VM, we also have Copilot enabled, which means I can click here and Sedai will take care of this optimization for me automatically, safely, and reliably. For storage, let's start with disks. So I can see where I have unattached or unused disks, and I can take action to terminate those right from here. I can also see disks that are over provisioned. In those cases, we'll recommend a right-sized disk with a performance configuration that's just right for your data. And again, we can make that change for you with Copilot. Finally, we can optimize your cloud storage. In this example, we see a breakdown of current and recommended storage types, your monthly costs, and whether it makes sense to enable AutoClass for this storage bucket. Now, before we go, let's take a quick look at an optimization that Sedai has successfully executed for you. So here's an example where Sedai made a change to a disk that is attached to a VM. If you've ever done this manually, you know that it involves a lot of steps. And you can see here that Sedai has done all of it for you, including the safety checks, stopping the VM, creating a snapshot of the disk, creating the new volume, and so on. So it's a huge savings, not just in terms of cloud costs, but also in terms of the toil that it would have taken to do this manually. There's a lot more, but hopefully that gives you a quick idea of how Sedai can reduce your Google Cloud costs while ensuring reliability and eliminating manual toil. If you'd like to learn more, just head to sedai.io and schedule a demo.